Aries, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. Titingnan natin ang energies no, bago matapos ang taong 2024 para sa inyo. Ano yung mga pasabog, ano yung mga exciting things na pwede pang mangyari. Okay, bago matapos ang taong 2024. So, if you are interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment kung paano mag-book for a private reading. Paki-check nyo na lang. Okay, so let's begin. Ano yung mga pasabog bago matapos ang 2024 for you, Aries, energies for Aries? Wow. Okay. So, unahin natin tong astro energies for you. So, you have Mercury in Pisces in the 8th house. Okay. Mercury is about ideas. This is about communication. I think mas magiging very creative, no? In terms of with your business. 8th house kasi is about other people's money, investment. So, maaring meron kang bagong ideas about starting a new business, or maaring mag-i-invest ka sa iyong knowledge, sa iyong skills. Kasi Mercury is about learning as well. So, some of you may be interested in the esoteric knowledge, no? Yung spirituality, different forms of divination. Pwedeng you will be interested in tarot, learning tarot, astrology, numerology, Chinese astrology, anything that is very mysterious for you. Okay? And then, this can also mean, when it comes to, if you are in a relationship, no, maaring bago matapos yung taon, mas lalong magiging closer kayo ng romantic partner mo. You will get into a very steamy connection, relationship, intimate, no? Mas magiging closer kayo together. Especially if you are, yung parang you communicate, no? Kung pinag-uusapan nyo yung mga needs nyo pagdating sa sexual connections. Okay? So, may pagka-SPG yan. 'Di ba? If you are in a relationship, and this is a very romantic and intimate relationship, importante rin na you communicate what you want sa partner mo pagdating sa intimacy, okay? Sexual connections. So, I think mas magiging open kayo dyan sa mga gusto nyong mangyari or ma-experience. Okay? Some of you naman, you might also be taking out a loan, no? Pwedeng mag-a-apply ka for a loan for your car, for your learning, pwedeng student loan, or anything na magagamit mo for business, kung paano mo mas masusuportahan yung iyong mga ideas, yung mga creative talents and skill set mo. You also have Manas. Manas is about self-awareness. So, mas nagiging aware ka of who you really are. Kung paano ka makisalamuha sa ibang tao. Yung iba sa inyo, maaring mas magiging outgoing, mas magiging connected sa maraming tao in different ways, no? So, pwedeng yung iba sa politics, yung iba naman, you will be part of a community na kung saan marami kang makikilalang tao, mga new connections. Yung iba naman sa inyo sa social media. Okay? Kasi itong Mercury is also about communication, social media, exchange ng ideas. So, maaring ito yung i-explore din ninyo. Okay? You also have Suwilu. Suwilu, this is about energy, illumination. So, you will feel good about yourself. You will feel confident sa mga ginagawa mo, sa mga gagawin mo moving forward. Mas maaring meron ka ring mga bright ideas that ipupurso mo talaga, no? Whatever this is. And some of you, maaring you will experience something na parang masasabi mo sa sarili mo na this is your first time na ma-experience yung ganong kasayang experience. Whatever that is, okay? Pwedeng masayang masaya ka sa experience mo with your romantic partner, or meron kang unexpected na uh, growth pagdating sa business mo. Anything that will make you feel happy. Mm-mm. And then you also have Feiho. Napakaganda ng Feiho. This is about prosperity. Okay? Wealth, generosity. So yung iba sa inyo, maaring meron kayong mga matutulungan na ibang tao rin dahil sa mga blessings na matatanggap ninyo. So whatever you are going to focus on bago matapos ang taon, ito ay magbo-blossom. Ito ay mag-grow. Mm-mm. Okay, so let's get some cards for you for Aries bago matapos ang 2024 for Aries. The Hierophant. Oh, this really resonates with your learning, no? Mm-mm. The Hierophant is also encouraging you to learn more about yourself and also to share your knowledge, your expertise. So, pwedeng iba sa inyo magiging teacher, mentor, um, trainer, no? And some of you, dyan kayo makakakuha ng abundance, ng prosperity because you are willing to share your knowledge, your skill set sa iba. Mm-mm. Okay. What else? Tingnan natin yung energy ng inyong money, career, finances for Aries. Money, career, finances. You have the Two of Wands. So, some of you, business partnership. You will enter a business partnership. Pwedeng, sa romantic partner mo, no? Magkakaroon kayo ng projects together. Make sense with the 8th house because this is other people's money. So, pwedeng kayo ay joint account or join forces, no? To start a new endeavor, no? Some of you naman could be making decisions, no? Pagdating dun sa path na kung saan ka mas magfo-focus. And some of you, paaring mas magfo-focus kayo sa path of having your own control pagdating sa career, sa business, sa finances mo. Pwede ring international trading, exploration of other opportunities pagdating sa kaperahan. Wow, may present, oh. A gift is coming your way, maybe in a form of cash or kind. O makaka-receive ka ng regalo bago matapos ang taon. And this is also a reminder to use your talents and abilities to bring abundance. See, ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo, na itong mga i-explore nyo about yourself or yung mga i-share nyo na knowledge and skill set ay makakatulong sa pagpapalago ng inyong finances. Okay? So, sa naman, love life naman ng mga Aries. Sa love life, you have the Four of Cups. Okay, so some of you may experience na parang may kulang sa inyong relationship or parang feeling nyo you deserve better, okay? But it doesn't mean naman na porket you feel na may kulang, iiwanan mo na yung partner mo. Maaring ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo na mas magiging open ka sa mga gusto mo in a relationship. You will be more vocal about your expectations sa partner mo, 'di ba? So, importante kasi yan that you communicate what you want in a relationship. Kasi, at 'di ba, yung iba kailangan sinasabi talaga eh. Parang yun yung pinaka-final no? Hindi lang sa pakiramdaman yan, but also you have to be open. You have to express that para mas magkaintindihan kayo. Okay? So, what else? Time and intentions. There are subconscious fears affecting our ability to attract love and abundance. The universe is helping us to make them conscious so we can easily attract what we want, including each other. Wow. Oh, ayun na nga. So, sa subconscious mind kasi natin, may mga parang inhibitions tayo, may pag-aalinlangan tayo na baka kapag naging open tayo ng ganito sa person natin, baka hindi tayo matanggap or hindi nila maintindihan, no? But actually, ito yung magbibigay sa inyo ng parang clarity if the person that you are dealing with is someone na talagang mag-a-align sa mga goals mo in the future, especially in relationships. Okay? So, importante rito that you are attracting what you really want in your relationship. Kasi if the person na kung sino yung meron ka ngayon na hindi ka masaya, doon mo ma-realize na anong kulang, ano ba dapat, ano bang kailangan gawin, ano bang kailangan magbago, 'di ba? So, being more open will help your relationship to grow exponentially. Okay, let's see ano pa. Mga pasabog energies for you bago matapos ang 2024 para sa mga Aries. Okay. Strategy planning. Ayan. So, nagsistrategize ka ngayon. Kung ano yung mga actions na gagawin mo. Yung mga moves mo. Kailangan very, well thought of, pinag-isipan, pinagplanuhan. Okay? Para, kumbaga, para ka naglalaro ng chess, 'di ba? Oo. Advance ka mag-isip. 3 steps na mas maaga yung iyong decision. Kumbaga parang pagpili mo ng mga steps mo. 3 steps ahead, kumbaga. Okay, let's see what else. Ano pa yung mga pasabog bago matapos ang 2024 para sa mga Aries? Oops. Okay, may lumipad. Tortoise. Slowly but surely getting ahead. O, 'di ba? You are getting ahead. Yung iba, parang naiinip lang na bakit ang bagal, bakit parang hindi ganun ka bilis. Maari kasing meron kang kailangan pang tuklasin sa sarili mo. 'Di ba? Example, may pupuntahan ka, gusto mo lang pumunta kung saan, pero hindi mo alam kung saan ka pupunta. So, syempre, 'di ba? Paano ka makakarating sa pupuntahan mo kung hindi mo alam, 'di ba? So, that's the first thing that you have to know where you are going. Saan ka ba mas magiging masaya? Ano yung gusto mo i-explore? What you really want, 'di ba? Okay, final message for Aries. Beauty. Today, you are a curator of beauty. You are blessed with moments that beyond a shadow of a doubt that all is well in the world. So, I feel like you're going to see the beauty in life, no? You will re-reassess mo yung situation mo. Ano yung mga bagay na gusto mo sa life mo, ano yung mga hindi. And I think you will focus on what you love, what is beautiful in your life. Kasi yun yung magbibigay sa'yo ng inspiration. To move forward, to look forward to the year ahead. No? Kung ano yung parating na taon. Okay? So, that is your reading, Aries. Thank you so much. Bye.